Hello, I'm Aaron Kyle, Realtor with eXp.
And I'm Ryan Beatty, Home Inspector with Notable Inspections.
So as you probably noticed, this is our basically fall edition. So you probably noticed this morning it feels a little bit crispier out there. It feels a little bit more like fall. It doesn't really. It's like 90 degrees. It's hot as hell still here in Texas. But in order to get prepared for fall, we have your 4 basic essentials you'll need to get ready. So 1 is definitely going to be the scarf because we all know our necks get cold in Texas. 2 is definitely going to be pumpkin spice latte. It kind of kicks off the season. 3, UGG boots. Just kidding. I absolutely hate them. I will not be wearing them, and I hope you don't either. But whatever, for each their own. And 4, of course, it is going to be the puffy sleeveless jacket because, you know, we don't really need arm coverage until at least January here in Texas. So I know, you're not in the market to sell or buy a house this moment. Until you are. Life changes all of a sudden, I get that panic call and you don't know what the market's like. So what's going on right now? For the last 5 to 6 years, sellers have pretty much gotten to take advantage of buyers and get whatever they want. Well, now the tide is a-turning. So we have houses are staying on the market for about 3 months, which is allowing buyers a little bit more time to actually shop for homes that meet their criteria versus settle for one just because it's the only thing that's on the market. 2, interest rates are still remaining incredibly low. So they're about 3.5%. I don't know how much lower you can get than that. So that's definitely an advantage for buyers right now. And 4 is kind of my PSA for the month is you're bombarded with a million different real estate apps and different websites that are claiming to either save you money, save you time, or eliminate effort on your part, like remove showings. Remember, all these apps and all these websites are in business to make money. The only difference is now they're asking you to pay that money, so ultimately you're the one who's going to lose here. So before falling for one of those apps or websites, give me a call. I've already looked at them all. I'll let you know which ones are legit or not. Best yet, just give me a call. Avoid all the apps. I've got access to MLS, and we'll get you on your way to either buying or selling your home.
The average first freeze in Dallas-Fort Worth is November 22nd. Now, Home Depot and Lowe's already have Christmas and Halloween decorations up. But they also have faucet covers and heat tape and everything else you need to expose or cover your exposed pipes before our first freeze. So why don't you go ahead and get those now before the stores run out when we do have our first freeze. Also check, I know it's hot, but turn your furnace or your heater on and make sure that it's working properly. If it's not, call your HVAC tech so that your heater is in proper tip-top shape before it does get cold out. Also check your chimneys, your smoke detectors, and very important, your sprinkler system. Yes, it's getting cooler now, you don't need to water as often, but you need to make sure that you're watering around your foundation all year long, especially in the dry months. You can cut your watering times back. Just keep in mind that to have a healthy foundation, you need to keep it watered.
So that's it for our basically fall edition. And meanwhile, while we're waiting for that fall weather to roll in, feel free and please help us out by following at Aaron Kyle Realtor on Facebook
and at Notable Inspections.
We'll see you around DFW. One turn summer off. Here, enjoy some pumpkin spice Chardonnay.
There's no such thing.
Okay, it's just Chardonnay. Enjoy. Cheers.